Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before we get started, we'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer and have it ready. Next, on your phone, swipe down from the top right side of your screen as we have the divide between a toggle panel and the notifications. And in here, click on the power button and choose power off twice. Give it a second for the phone to turn off, and then when it does, you're gonna begin holding your volume up and power button at the same time. And when you start holding them, you're gonna plug in the cable. So I'm holding it now, plug in. When you see Galaxy, let go of the power button. And this moves us to the recovery mode. We can get rid of the cable as it's generally just useless. We shouldn't need it to put our device into recovery mode. No other phone needs it, so just Samsung being annoying. And while we're in this mode, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate. So with that in mind, we're gonna scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. When it's selected, confirm it with the power button. Then select Factory Data Reset. Again, confirm that. It's gonna tell you that it's formatting data wipe complete. And when you have the data wipe complete, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once. This will reboot the device, continue resetting your phone in the background, and when it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.